Hey everybody! Welcome to Walking in Whimsy Designs by Gina. This is Gina. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely pair of gold and brown earrings. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Let's go ahead and get started. So the materials that you'll need for this project will be a pair of scissors, your embroidery floss, 2 earrings, mine are wooden hoops. As you can see, I already have the one done. Your embellishments, which I used the little gems, jump rings, and a fishhook earring, and a pair of needle nose pliers. So the first thing that I did was to add my jump rings. You take the needle nose pliers, you insert it in the jump ring, and then you split it so as to add it to the hole of the wooden hoop. Then you continue to add the jump rings and the fishhook earring. I used 3 jump rings and 1 fishhook earring. It does take a little bit of time, but once you get the hang of it, it's really not that difficult. It takes a little practice. And I added all of this first because when you're adding your embroidery floss, it would be too difficult to add the jump rings later, so it's best to do this process first. And after this is done, then I will start wrapping the embroidery floss around the earring hoop. This project probably takes about an hour, but it's well worth it because they turn out so cute. I'm just about done with this part. There we are. And now we will start to wrap the earring with the embroidery floss. I did speed things up a bit here because it does take a while, as I said. So all you're doing is taking the embroidery floss and bringing it through the hole. I find that it's easier to have your fingers at the back and then pull it through the front and continue wrapping. I used several different shades of yellow and a couple shades of brown. I put all the yellow on first, as you'll see as we go through the video, and then I added the brown. So as you can see, I've wrapped the earring in sections so that I could get the variations of color that I wanted. After you do one section, just simply add a bead of glue from your glue gun and make sure that you do have your protector on so that you won't get burned. Tap it lightly and it will adhere. If you have any straggly ends, just cut them off with your scissors. Then continue wrapping with the next section. Do make sure that all of your glue is added on the same side. However, you don't need to worry about it showing up because after you're done wrapping everything and you've added your embellishments, you won't be able to see them. But it is best to add them all on the same side. And now we finally come to the part where we add our embellishments. I've used these lovely little goldish yellow gems, and we'll just glue these on with our glue gun. And that's it. We are done. Aren't these adorable? Such cute little earrings made with wooden hoops, embroidery floss, our jump rings, our embellishments, and the earring fishhook. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you stop by Walking in Whimsy designsbygina.com and you can see what other treasures I have made. Also, feel free to stop by and check out my Facebook page, which is also called Walking in Whimsy Designs by Gina. Have a great day, y'all. See you soon.